Hi guys, Closing here, and I've been playing this game for about 2 days, and I'm sharing my screen with Kate99700, Kate, and these are my puppies, my wife, this is called Wolf Quest, and, so I named some of them random stuff, like Kate. There's a random wolf named Zoom. I know, it's kind of weird. But anyway, my wolves are big enough to leave the den now. Close to, I think. So, they're just really close to it, yeah. So I'm a male on this. Plus, males are stronger, so that's why I chose male. My wife's name's Ginger on here. Yeah, I named my wolf Howler. So, yeah. Okay, there she is. I get her mistaken with a coyote a lot. Why does she always leave me with them? Oh, I thought it was a coyote again. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have 4 pups. I think that's how much you can get. And, you can actually go find another den once, like, you get pretty far. It's free. Just download it and you can get started. But you're going to have, your first quest is to find a mate. And to have puppies, you have to just complete a lot of quests. Like, get off of the thing, save it, get off of the progress you're on. Remember to save it, then click on it again and it'll show your quest. And after a few quests, you can do that thing, so. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird that I named one Hilly. It's just Kate gave me the idea. This is the map. Okay, I never done this. I really actually never done this. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Come on, Hilly. It's just kind of weird because all the puppies look the same. Then I'm going to go encounter a new wolf. Hopefully my wife won't leave the puppies here. Yes, she does. I'm breaking up with her. Anyway, so basically when you start, you like look for a mate and then you find a girl or boy or whatever and see if they're nice. And you can choose a color. And it's kind of gross how you feed the pups. Look what I just spit it out. Some meatball thing. I don't know. Anyway. And if you need some tips, I'm not going to tell you because why did you bring the puppy over here? They're supposed to go over there. Okay. You know what? You're a bad mom. Okay. You leave the puppies here. I mean, I know I do, but only when they're with you. Why am I talking to her? She can't hear me. Okay. And soon I'm going to go to sleep. Anyway, yeah, like I told you, Oh, I didn't tell you. Never mind. Just press the question mark, and it'll show you like all the stuff you can do. And yeah, so I need to go to bed. Nope. Okay, where are the other puppies? Where's the fourth one? Why did she put that puppy over here? I'm going to sleep now. So I'm going to sleep until dawn. Once when I woke up, I actually put my butt in my wife's face. Right now, puppies like that. Okay. Don't worry, I'll save it like that, I think. Yeah, I will. It raises his butt up. Like that, yeah. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's why. Okay. Great bear. Stupid bear. I'm just gonna get a meal. Okay, that just looks gross, but whatever. Okay. And see that compass? You just follow whatever on the compass. I never noticed there had a star there. Okay, I'm going to follow the star. Okay, I don't know what's happening right now. Sheely the Pups. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, after one more thing pops up, then, well, like, quest completed, something close to that, then I will stop this video. You know what, that's going to be it for now. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Why am I doing this? Okay. Bye. It's going to be kind of hard to exit out because I have to. Okay, guys. Now. Bye.